Hello everyone, my name is Sue. This morning I wanna fix this area. Look how bad my rubble and the black lava looks. So I'm gonna fix all this. Big mess. So I'm gonna fix that. This is very simple. I see few weed. So I guess I have to remove first the weed. I have too many. I got the knife. This is better than this one. Well, at least for me. I'm gonna add a little more black lava here. This and here. I see a weed here. looking much better, right? And from up here too, much better. Yeah, I have to do something a little more over there. Yeah, another day. Now I wanna fix this part of the red mulch. I cover some part, like here, and over there too. But the thing is that I ran out of red mulch. That means that I have to continue another day. But today I'm gonna do something about this before it gets too big. You know, I mean this one, this rock porcelain, very close to my Harira, and this is a cutting, so very easily. Oh, I got the root and everything. That's good. Yeah, like this, away from my Harira. Good. I'm done here. So over there, black lava, looking much better. And the beige gravel also I fixed a little bit. But more than anything, I end up removing weed. New one. So as you can see, I work on this part of the garden today. And but still, I have to fix this area, as you can see here, and here, and here. Oh, I have so many things to do. But that's gonna be for another day. Oh, here too. Look. Not looking pretty. Yeah. So, of course, that's gonna be for another day. So, this is it for today. Thank you for coming to my garden. Thank you for watching. And have a wonderful, wonderful day.